We are pleased to host the 21st edition of the UX Masterclass in partnership with our friends of the UX Finance. So what's happening is customers are changing across the world. And we thought, okay, what does that mean for us, as well as what we can do to make seamless experiences?
Accessibility research. This research is going to be critical to understanding needs and having better design.
Gen AI is good. It's helping us prepare for the future, for these new customers that are arriving that we've all been talking about today.
The ethical consumer makes decisions based not just on price or convenience, but rather on whether the brand resonates with their personal beliefs about what's right or wrong.
It's more than a product, it's about the whole experience.
It's been amazing, so informative, learning so many different things, good laughter and conversation during the sessions, very interactive. We're getting a really diverse mix of user research and experience.
I think the networking is really important. I think the theme and the future is a fantastic topic. So the more we can talk about it, the more we can discuss the future of this industry, and we can all be aligned.
It's a great atmosphere, and I'm very excited to see so many people from all around the world and people that are interested in the UX world.
It is about complexity. It is about really understanding humans at the end of the day. We are quite complex, and there's beauty in those complexities and those cultural nuances.